Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're going to be making
a mouth-watering Biscoff coffee cake.
Now if you're thinking, what is Biscoff, Henry and Ian? We will tell you.
It's like a European ginger nut, perfect with coffee.
A European ginger nut?
It's a bit like that, isn't it?
What kind of explanation is that? That's rubbish. They look like this. Incredible flavour. We've turned them into a coffee cake.
This is quite a simple process. Bang all your dry ingredients into one bowl and the wet ingredients into another.
What are we doing for an egg, mate? Because we're vegan, we don't eat egg.
Quite simple. We're making the healthy choice, mashed up banana.
It will work, it will taste fantastic, so mix that all together.
Dry ingredients here, wet ingredients here. Blend the two together, fold them through, and then crumble some broken Biscoffs.
So we've got Biscoff really going through this dish everywhere. Next up, we're going to transfer that mixture into our cake tins.
And once it's in the greased up cake tins, it's going into the oven for about 25-30 minutes at 200 degrees.
Whilst those bad boys are in the oven, we're going to make our frosting. Take 10 Biscoff biscuits.
Whiz them up into breadcrumbs. We've got to pop some dairy-free butter, some maple syrup, dairy-free milk. We're going to whiz it all together to make a cream. And then the sweetness, icing sugar, lots of it, 450 grams.
Mix it all up really well, give it a taste, and if you're happy, we're happy. Get your cakes out of the oven and let them cool to room temperature. Now we're going to make a sandwich. Slice the top of one of them and cover it with icing.
Now we don't need to tell you how to ice a cake, but this is where you ice your cake. Ice one layer, pop another sandwich on top, ice that top layer, and then sprinkle loads of fantastic Biscoff biscuits all over the top of it.
That looks incredible, the finishing touch. Put it there, mate.
Yes, man.
That was a rubbish high five.
I think we need a little coffee to go with it.
A little coffee?
Just a little one, though.
Just a little one.
Teeny tiny little coffee.
Little coffee. Look at that, it looks incredible. Beautifully iced, and it's got those biscuits on top.
Good crumb to it as well. It's like really moist and lovely.
Oh.
Who can say where the road...
It's delicious, it's incredible flavour. It's got cinnamon coming through, you can taste the coffee, although it's subtle. It's just gorgeous. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe and be in touch. We're Team BOSH and we make videos like this almost every day.
If you've got any comments about what you've just seen, do let us know in the comment section below.
And that's it. Bish, bash, BOSH!